Right guys, this video is an exciting one. You've joined me on a nice, crisp, bright winter's morning in Scotland, and we're going to take a look at another car. But this one is a bit Marmite. Some of you'll love it, some of you'll hate it. I personally love it. It's got a great story behind it, and we're going to do something really, really cool with it. So let's take a look at the latest purchase. Right guys, here we go. It's a 2005 Jaguar X-Type Sovereign. Now this was an absolute steal, and the story behind this car is phenomenal. But first of all, let's have a quick look at what we've bought. So it's a X-Type Sovereign, silver obviously. It's the 3 litre V6. Sorry, it's absolutely freezing here, so my brain's not working properly either. But it's permanent 4-wheel drive, 3 litre V6. It's got all the bells and whistles for a 2005 car. It's obviously full leather interior as you would expect, automatic gearbox, cruise control, steering wheel controls. It's got the earliest touchscreen sat-nav I've ever seen, heated seats. Because it's a Sovereign, it's got the grey piping on the leather seats and everything as well. It's got telephone controls, it's got the lovely burr walnut dash, and it's a black interior. It's not too light. And the seats, what's the mileage on this, Gary? It's under 100,000, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's probably, we'll check in a wee second, but even the back looks like it's hardly even been sat in. And it's the same with the driver's seat. The bolsters are all good, everything's really good. One thing I really like about this car is it's still got all the Guy Salmon stickers, it's got the Guy Salmon number plates, even the keys. We've got 2 keys and they've both still got the Guy Salmon Jaguar keyrings on them. This car is so honest and original, it's unbelievable. It's doing on the logbook as 2 owners, isn't it?
Yeah.
But the first owner was Jaguar Land Rover themselves.
The demonstrator.
It was a demonstrator car for one of their head offices, and then the customer who we bought it off of was waiting for one with burr walnut to come up, and this one came up, so he purchased this, and he had it for 19.5 years. So we've got a load of service history with it. He's well looked after it, although he did admit he didn't look after it quite as well cosmetically. Mechanically, very good. Cosmetically, it needs a wee bit of work. So we've obviously gave it a really good clean, but it needs a really, really good machine polish to brighten this silver back up. And there's a few wee bits like the wheels, a couple of wee marks on the wheels. We need to get the wheels refurbished. We need to put a new set of boots on it because all the tyres are just getting a wee tiny bit low. And the usual place on an X-Type, is the bottom of the wings here. You tend to get a wee bit of corrosion here with the stone chips coming up, so we need to fix that. And yeah, it's still got the Superguard sticker on it as well for when it first came, so it's got that. It's obviously worn off now, and I can still see the imprint, a tax disc holder on the window there. That just shows you how long it's been since the windows have been cleaned properly. So yeah, we need to get stuck into this and get a really good detail. But what a magnificent car for the money, and for 2005, touchscreen sat-nav, cruise control, this was the height of luxury, this car. Absolutely phenomenal. and it's still a dream to drive. So let's jump in it and we'll take it for a wee spin. I've still got the frost warning on the dash as well because it's bitterly cold outside. It's currently saying -2 at the minute. We washed this outside in this cold today. It's freezing. Like, it's only the start of November, but it almost feels like sort of mid-December, January time. That tends to be the coldest time, round about Christmas and New Year. Speaking of Christmas, check this out.
Christmas, a wondrous time where magic comes from the most surprising places. Or so it seems. Because for some children, Christmas this year will feel the coldest yet. Others may not have any food in the cupboards. Some children may be on their own, without a single gift. No Christmas at all. And that's why Christmas magic needs to come from all sorts of places, from people like you. Become a secret Santa this year and make a vulnerable child's Christmas a little more magical. Together, we can try to make sure that none are left hungry and every child is safe and warm.
Right guys, so Christmas isn't the best time of year for everybody, so we want to do whatever we can to help, and we want to try and help as many vulnerable children across the UK as we possibly can. So we've teamed up with Infinity Wax, and you've probably guessed already what we're going to be doing with the Jaguar. That's right, we're going to raffle it off. You guys are going to be given the chance of winning this, and what we're going to do is 25% of all the proceeds of this car and the rest of the prizes are going to go to Action for Children to help vulnerable children all across the UK. So I want you guys to dig deep in your pockets. The tickets are only going to be £2 a ticket, and here's a list of all the prizes. Right guys, first prize is going to be the Jaguar in a 13-piece Infinity Wax detailing pack, which you can obviously use to keep the Jaguar clean when you've got it. Second prize is going to be this Cobra SC400 dash cam. It comes with forward and rear facing cameras. I think it's valued at about £380. It's got built-in Amazon Alexa. You can do all sorts of stuff with this, but you don't only get this, you also get a 6-piece detailing packet for Infinity Wax as well. Third prize is a 13-piece bargain bucket from Infinity Wax, no for the chicken place. So you'll get a whole load of detailing products that you can use at home. Exact same stuff that we use here to protect all our cars in stock. Fourth prize is the 6-piece detailing packet. And finally, fifth prize is a Infinity Wax sample pack. So obviously you guys know we use Infinity products for everything we do here. We swear by them. They're the best products on the market, and you guys are having the chance of winning some as well. So massive thank you to Michael and the team at Infinity Wax for teaming up with us on this, and a massive thank you to you guys for obviously supporting the channel, watching the videos, dropping your comments, hitting the like button, everything like that. But what I want you to do now is go over to our raffle website. The link will be in the description. That's the Jag, that's the first prize. I hope you guys get involved. Let's raise as much money as we can to help vulnerable children across Christmas. And yeah, thanks again for watching. I'm going to go and get a heat. We'll see you guys again soon.